Hello, Miss Dozel's friends. I am going to show you guys how you can add classes to your Google Classroom. So by now you should have Miss Dozel's homeroom and this technology class added. What you're going to do today in technology is you are going to use the sheet that is on your desk, and you're going to add all the classes that are on that sheet. So you'll see morning work, reading, writing, spelling, math, social studies, tech, which you've already added, grammar, and science. We're going to spend some time adding those, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. To add a class, you have to be on the home screen. What you see on my screen is my home screen. Yours will look different because you're not a teacher. Okay? The hamburger up here in the top left-hand corner, that's what we're going to call the hamburger. Okay? Has 3 lines, kind of looks like a hamburger. So you're going to just be on your home screen, and you're going to click the add, this plus sign. You're going to click join class. You won't have the option to create a class because you're not a teacher. Once you click the plus button, you're going to enter your class code. So your guys' morning work code is I63ERGB. Okay? And then you're just going to click join right here. It's going to say joining, and you're in. It's going to come up. You're going to see a thing that says start tour. You're going to exit out of that, and it should come up just like this. Okay? You're not going to do anything once you get into it. You're just going to click the hamburger button, then you're going to click home, and then you're going to click the plus button again and join class. Okay? So yesterday when I was doing this with Mrs. Wales' class, we made a little chant. We were saying hamburger, home, plus join. Hamburger, home, plus join. If you think of those, hamburger, home, plus join, then you can enter your next class code. I'm not going to enter all of yours. Okay? So once you get into a class, you're going to go hamburger, home, plus join, enter your next code, and I would suggest after you successfully join each class, marking that out with a pencil. Use the pencils on my tables to mark out what class you just joined so that you don't get confused and try to join a class twice. Once you have joined all of your classes, so you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 classes that you've joined, plus Miss Dozel's homeroom class, the first class that you ever joined. Okay, so you should have actually 10 classes that you're joining. Okay, once you have all 10 classes on your home screen right here, if I scroll down, you'll see all of my classes that I have. Okay, if you scroll, you should be able to count to 10, count your 10 classes, then you'll know that you're done adding classes. Okay, so then I want you to go, I'm going to go to your guys' technology page. You're going to go to the one that says Technology Dozel, okay? And this is actually not from Miss Dozel. You'll see up here on your screen, it'll say Technology Miss Hartman, and it'll have a picture of me, okay? So this is actually an announcement that I gave you guys, okay? So if you need to, you can watch this video again. After you're done adding all of your classes, okay, we're right here, you're going to click on the Padlet below and type one thing you learned about Google Classroom and one question you have. Don't forget your headphones, okay, as you're watching videos. Synergize. If someone at your table is having trouble, help them out, okay? Let's not move from table to table, but within your table, if you see someone struggling, help them out, okay? There's only one adult in the classroom, so she's not going to be able to get around to everyone, so you need to synergize and help each other out. Talking about this step right here, when you click on the Padlet, you're just going to click on, I believe, this link right here. So see when I put my mouse over it, it underlines. You're going to click on that, and it's going to take you to the Padlet. To use a Padlet, you're going to double click just anywhere, okay, and then this is your new post. Okay, so if my name, I'm going to put my name up here on the bold, and then I'm going to click where it says write something, and I'm going to write, I learned that in Google Classroom, okay, and you're going to write what you learned about Google Classroom and what question you have. When you're done, you just click out of it, and then it'll post. If you click refresh right here, you'll be able to see, it'll show you what other students are typing. Okay, so here, this is an example that I left up from when my class did this. Olivia had a good example. Okay. If you have any questions, use your resources, so watch this video again, or raise your hand and someone at your table can help you. All right, thanks. You guys have a good day in technology. I'll see you guys tomorrow.